Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to financial mastery. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that weighs heavily on many people's minds: credit card debt. This financial burden can feel overwhelming, casting a long shadow over our dreams and ambitions. But fear not. In this video, we will unveil proven strategies that can help you regain control of your finances and pave the way toward financial freedom. Imagine breaking free from the chains of ongoing payments, high interest rates, and the anxiety of mounting bills. Picture your life unburdened, where you can invest in your future, travel, or save for that dream home without the shadow of debt looming over you. This isn't just a wishful dream, it's entirely achievable. So, let's embark on this empowering journey together as we explore practical steps to pay off credit card debt quickly and efficiently. Remember, the road to financial freedom starts with a single step. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with actionable strategies that can transform your relationship with debt and bring you one step closer to financial liberation. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our financial tips. Before we plunge into strategies for debt reduction, let's take a moment to understand what credit card debt really is. It's easy to see credit cards as just a convenient payment method, but they come with strings attached. High interest rates and the allure of buy now, pay later often lures people into a cycle of borrowing that seems harmless at first. But before you know it, your monthly statement reveals a daunting balance that leaves you gasping for breath. Think of credit card debt as a storm cloud hanging over you, gradually darkening your financial landscape with each purchase you make without regard. The average American carries over $5,000 in credit card debt, a statistic that illustrates just how commonly this issue affects us. The longer you carry this burden, the heavier it can feel, and that's where understanding your debt comes into play. Acknowledging the weight and prospective ramifications of credit card debt is the first step in dismantling its power over you. Each month, many find themselves caught in a cycle. They pay the minimum balance, draining their finances on interest fees, while the principal barely chips away. It isn't just numbers on a piece of paper. It's a reflection of your spending habits, lifestyle choices, and sometimes unexpected life events. But don't despair. By recognizing the nature of credit card debt, you're preparing to tackle it head-on. Remember, knowledge is a powerful tool in your financial toolkit. Understanding how interest accrues and how your credit score is affected sets the groundwork for a more informed approach moving forward. Key takeaways. Credit card debt is easy to accumulate, but hard to manage. Recognizing the emotional weight of debt is crucial. Knowledge about interest rates and credit scores empowers informed decisions. One of the most effective and psychologically motivating ways to eliminate credit card debt quickly is the snowball method. Imagine it like rolling a snowball down a hill. As it gathers a bit of snow, it grows larger and gains momentum. This method involves focusing all your extra money on your smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on your larger debts. Let's say you have 3 credit cards, one with a balance of $200, another with $800, and a third with $2,000. You direct every extra dollar you can muster toward that $200 debt while maintaining minimum payments on the others. Once that card is paid off, you take the amount you were using to pay off that small debt and roll it over to the next smallest balance, your $800 card. The beauty of the snowball method lies in its psychological impact. Each victory, however small, ignites a sense of accomplishment that fuels your motivation to continue tackling your debt. It's like climbing a staircase. With each step, you can see your progress, driving you upward with renewed energy. And soon enough, those once intimidating numbers start to dwindle away. You may wonder, isn't it smarter to pay off the debts with the highest interest first? While that may seem logical, studies show that the psychological wins from the snowball method can lead to greater momentum, ultimately making it just as effective, if not more so, than other strategies. You're not just paying down debt, you're changing your financial mindset. Key takeaways. The snowball method focuses on the smallest debts first for quick wins. It builds psychological momentum to tackle larger debts. It's about changing your relationship with debt, moving from stress to empowerment. Now that you understand the power of strategies like the snowball method, it's essential to create a budget that works for you. Think of your budget as the blueprint for your financial house. It establishes a solid foundation where you can build your future. When your expenses are organized, you can identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money toward your debts. Consider tracking your spending for a month. You might be surprised to find where your money is disappearing. Maybe you are enjoying daily lattes or subscribing to multiple streaming services. By making a few adjustments, such as brewing coffee at home or setting limits on entertainment expenses, you can free up substantial cash to attack your debts. It's not just about eliminating luxuries, it's creating a system that supports your debt payoff goal. Allocate funds for necessities, but also prioritize your debt payments. You could have a category purely for debt repayment that sits above others, ensuring that you are committing to this important financial goal every month. Let's not forget the importance of flexibility in your budgeting. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes unexpected expenses will arise. It's okay. Factor in a buffer for emergencies and treat your budget like a living document, evolving and adjusting as your financial situation changes. The key here is making your budget work for you, not the other way around. Key takeaways. A budget serves as a foundation for effective debt management. Tracking spending reveals potential savings opportunities. Flexibility within your budget can accommodate the unpredictable nature of life. The notion of negotiating with creditors might invoke a sense of anxiety, but it's more common than you might think, and it can significantly aid your journey toward debt freedom. Picture this: you are not just a number to your creditors, you are a valued customer. When times are tough, they want to work with you. The key lies in approaching them thoughtfully and confidently. Start by reaching out to them. Let them know about your situation without going into too much detail. Most creditors have programs in place for those experiencing financial hardship, offering lower interest rates, payment plans, or even settling for less than what you owe. You might be pleasantly surprised by their willingness to collaborate. Another useful tip is to know precisely what you can afford before initiating the conversation. Be ready with the figures so that when you're on the phone, you can negotiate effectively. It turns into a mutual conversation instead of a one-sided explanation. Use the facts to support your case, and remember, being polite goes a long way in these interactions. Many who have successfully navigated such conversations emerge with reduced balances or lower monthly payments, allowing them to tackle payment strategies more effectively. It can lend you that sigh of relief, knowing that you are not solely responsible for the burden of debt. Your creditors can play a supportive role in your journey. Key takeaways. Negotiating with creditors is common and often rewarded. Approach conversations thoughtfully and prepared. A polite demeanor can open doors to potential relief. With your strategies in place and a clearer understanding of your relationship with debt, it's time to shift focus toward building a lifestyle that nurtures financial freedom. Think of this as laying the groundwork for a future where debt no longer holds you back, but instead becomes a thing of the past. Consider your spending habits. The decisions you make daily can either propel you toward freedom or keep you tethered to financial struggles. Prioritizing needs over wants is crucial. Adopt a mindset that reflects your long-term financial goals. Yes, it's tempting to grab the latest gadget or dine out frequently, but each small choice contributes to the bigger picture of your financial future. Moreover, cultivate saving habits, even if it's just a small amount at first. Automatic transfers to a savings account can create a safety net, and over time, you'll find that even small contributions grow into a substantial emergency fund. This safety cushion can provide peace of mind, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected expenses without falling back into debt. Finally, embrace the idea of continual learning. Attend workshops, read books, and engage with online communities that focus on financial literacy. The more you know, the better decisions you can make, transforming your relationship with money. The journey to financial freedom is as much about mindset as it is about managing numbers. It thrives on education, discipline, and a commitment to yourself and your future. takeaways: prioritize needs over wants to align spending with financial goals. Establish saving habits. Even small contributions can grow over time. Embrace continuous learning to improve financial literacy. Congratulations! If you've made it to the end of this video, you're one step closer to breaking free from credit card debt and achieving true financial freedom. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and today marks the beginning of a new chapter for you. Armed with the strategies we discussed, you have the tools to turn your financial situation around. You just need to stay dedicated and focused. If you found this video enlightening and you feel empowered to tackle your credit card debt head-on, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below, sharing your journey or any tips you might have. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on financial literacy that can help you thrive. Together, we can build a community that uplifts and empowers. Thank you for being part of this financial adventure with us today. Stay motivated, stay informed, and remember, the path to financial freedom is not just a destination. It's a lifestyle choice that creates endless possibilities for a brighter future.